What's good, guys? So I had to get new shoes for work, so I decided to go to Dick's Sporting Goods and get some Timberlands. So I'm just gonna be doing a little unboxing video of them. I got the MT Maddsen waterproof mid hikers, full black grain. You know what it is. This is what they look like. Let's see. Wow, I just missed it. All right. So they're pretty nice looking, well protected, leather. Says that they're waterproof too. I'm pretty pumped to use these. I have these other work shoes that I was wearing and they were killing me. I had the Avenger waterproof steel toe boots. They were heavy as shit, so I'm not using them anymore. These are lightweight. Like, check out that tread. That's just nice. You're not gonna be slipping and falling in these. Yeah, I just wanted to give you guys an overview. I would recommend these. They're super lightweight and can't really go wrong. So yeah, thanks for checking out my video. You guys should check out the rest of my channel. I do a bunch of unboxing videos and reviews, just a whole bunch of stuff. But if you could smack that like button, subscribe to my channel, it would be very much appreciated. There'll be more videos to come. I upload videos every day, so yeah, check out my channel and go get yourself some Tims. Later.